Discover inspiring cozy fireplace decor ideas to make your home feel warm this winter. Introduction: the heart of winter comfort. Welcome to the Decor YouTube channel, where we dive into the world of architecture and interior design. As winter sets in, our homes become sanctuaries of warmth and comfort. One of the most inviting features of any home during this season is the fireplace, which serves as a focal point for gathering and relaxation. In today's video, we will explore inspiring cozy fireplace decor ideas that will not only enhance your living space but also create a warm atmosphere perfect for those chilly evenings. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment with your favorite ideas as we embark on this cozy journey together. Choosing the right fireplace style. Before we dive into decor ideas, it's important to consider the style of your fireplace. Whether you have a traditional wood-burning fireplace, a modern gas insert, or a sleek electric model, each type offers unique possibilities for decor. A rustic stone fireplace might benefit from natural accents, while a contemporary model could shine with minimalist decor. The key is to select decor that complements your fireplace's design, allowing it to enhance the overall aesthetic of your living room. By identifying your fireplace style, you can create a cohesive look that elevates your home's ambience. creating a warm mantle display. The mantle is a prime space for decoration, and it can transform the look of your fireplace area. Start by selecting a theme that resonates with the winter season. Think warm colors, natural elements, and festive touches. Incorporate items such as garlands made from pine branches, twinkling fairy lights, and seasonal candles. Layering different heights, like tall candlesticks alongside shorter decorative objects, adds visual interest. Don't forget to include personal touches, like family photos or handmade ornaments, to make the display uniquely yours. A well-decorated mantle not only draws the eye but also sets a welcoming tone for your living room. Embracing cozy textiles. Textiles are essential for creating a cozy atmosphere around your fireplace. Start with a soft, plush throw blanket draped over your sofa or a nearby chair. Choose fabrics that invite touch, such as chunky knits or faux furs. Layering pillows in rich colors and various textures can enhance the comfort level while providing extra warmth. Additionally, a soft area rug placed in front of the fireplace adds an inviting touch and helps to ground the space. By thoughtfully incorporating textiles, you can create a cozy nook where family and friends will feel at home during those cold winter nights. Utilizing decorative accessories. Incorporating decorative accessories can elevate your fireplace decor from simple to stunning. Consider using decorative baskets filled with firewood or cozy blankets to add both functionality and style. Vintage lanterns or hurricane lamps can introduce a soft, ambient light that enhances the fireplace's glow. You might also explore unique decor pieces, such as artful sculptures or seasonal figurines, to bring character to your space. Accessories allow you to express your personal style while contributing to the warmth and charm of your fireplace area. Layering lighting for ambience. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. While the flicker of the fire provides a natural glow, additional lighting can enhance the mood further. Consider placing sconces on either side of the fireplace or using floor lamps with soft shades to create a warm halo of light. Fairy lights strung along the mantel or draped over decorative elements can add a magical touch. Experiment with different light sources and intensities to find the perfect balance that complements your cozy fireplace setup. Layering your lighting helps to create a welcoming environment for relaxing evenings. Seasonal decor changes. One of the joys of decorating your fireplace is the ability to change it with the seasons. Embrace the spirit of winter by incorporating seasonal decor items, such as evergreen branches, holly, or even faux snow for a festive touch. As the season progresses, you can easily transition to more subtle winter themes by replacing bright ornaments with neutral colors and natural textures. This adaptability not only keeps your decor fresh but also allows you to express your creativity and reflect the changing mood of the season. Changing decor can bring new life to your living space and keep it engaging. Arranging comfortable seating. A cozy fireplace deserves a comfortable seating arrangement that encourages relaxation and conversation. Position your furniture to face the fireplace, allowing everyone to enjoy the warmth and ambience it provides. Consider using oversized chairs, a sectional sofa, or even floor cushions for a casual vibe. If space permits, add a few poufs or ottomans for extra seating or footrests. The layout should invite people to gather around the fire, creating a welcoming space for storytelling, game nights, or simply enjoying each other's company. Personalizing your space. Personal touches can make your fireplace area feel truly unique and special. Incorporate decor items that reflect your personality, such as travel souvenirs, cherished family heirlooms, or artwork that resonates with you. Handcrafted ornaments or sentimental pieces can evoke memories and bring warmth to your decor. When your fireplace area tells a story, it invites guests to connect with you and feel at home. The personalization of your decor helps to create a warm atmosphere that resonates with both you and your visitors. Conclusion: embracing winter warmth. As we wrap up our exploration of cozy fireplace decor ideas, remember that creating a warm and inviting atmosphere is about combining thoughtful design with personal touches. From stunning mantle displays to comfortable seating arrangements, each element contributes to the overall charm of your living room. By incorporating these ideas, your fireplace can become the heart of your home, a place where family and friends gather to create lasting memories during the winter months. If you enjoyed these ideas, be sure to subscribe to the Decor YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your favorite fireplace decor tips in the comments. Let's embrace the warmth and joy of winter together.